Hello, kids. Today, we are going to practice your reading comprehension. Are you ready? Let's begin. Daisy the hen. Max has a hen. The hen is Daisy. Daisy is gray and big. Daisy has 5 eggs. Read again. Max has a hen. The hen is Daisy. Daisy is gray and big. Daisy has 5 eggs. Now your turn to read. It's quiz time. Who has a hen? A. Sam. B. Pen. C. Max. The answer is C. Max. Max has a hen. What is the name of the hen? A. Venny. B. Daisy. C. Coco. The answer is B. Daisy. Daisy is the name of the hen. What is the color of the daisy? A. Red. B. White. C. Gray. The answer is C. Gray. The color of the daisy is gray. How many eggs does Daisy have? A. 10. B. 4. C. 5. The answer is C. 5. Daisy has 5 eggs. Jig the pig. Ben has a pig. The pig is Jig. Jig likes to eat bananas. Jig the pig is pink. Read again. Ben has a pig. The pig is Jig. Jig likes to eat bananas. Jig the pig is pink. Now your turn to read. It's quiz time. Who has a pig? A. Ted. B. Ben. C. Max. The answer is C. Ben. Ben has a pig. What is the name of pig? A. Daisy. B. Ted. C. Jig. The answer is C. Jig. Pig name is Jig. What does Jig like to eat? A. Apple. B. Potato. C. Bananas. The answer is C. Bananas. Jig likes to eat bananas. What is the color of Jig? A. Red. B. Pink. C. Blue. The answer is B. Pink. The color of Jig is pink. Good job, children. Remember, always practice reading so you can be a good and fast reader. Also, if you are new in this channel, please don't forget to click the subscribe button. Thank you for listening, children. See you on our next lesson.